Television has had a significant impact on society, shaping our culture, influencing our behavior, and connecting us to the world. It has become a central part of our lives, providing entertainment, information, and a platform for communication. The impact of television on society has been both positive and negative, with far-reaching effects on individuals, families, and communities. One of the most evident impacts of television is its role in shaping popular culture. Through television shows, movies, and music videos, it has introduced new trends, fashion styles, and even slang into our daily lives. Television has the power to influence our tastes, preferences, and even our language. It has become a mirror of society, reflecting our values, aspirations, and social norms. Television is also a powerful medium for education and information. It has the ability to bring the world into our living rooms, allowing us to access news, documentaries, and educational programs from around the globe. Television has expanded our knowledge and understanding of the world, exposing us to different cultures, perspectives, and ideas. It has the potential to inspire curiosity, spark intellectual discussions, and promote lifelong learning. Furthermore, television has played a significant role in shaping public opinion and influencing social issues. Through news broadcasts, talk shows, and documentaries, it has the power to shed light on important topics and drive conversations. Television has been instrumental in raising awareness about social injustices, environmental issues, and human rights violations. It has the ability to mobilize communities, generate empathy, and incite positive change. However, the impact of television is not without its drawbacks. Excessive television viewing can lead to a sedentary lifestyle, contributing to health problems such as obesity and a lack of physical activity. It can also have negative effects on mental health, as excessive screen time has been linked to increased rates of anxiety, depression, and sleep disturbances. It is important to find a balance between television consumption and engaging in other healthy activities. Moreover, television can also perpetuate stereotypes, reinforce negative behaviors, and promote materialism. The portrayal of certain groups or communities in a stereotypical manner can perpetuate prejudice and discrimination. Additionally, television shows and advertisements often emphasize material possessions and consumerism, shaping our desires and values. It is essential to critically analyze the messages conveyed by television and promote media literacy to mitigate these negative impacts. Television has also transformed our social interactions and family dynamics. It has become a common form of entertainment and a source of shared experiences. Families often gather around the television to watch their favorite shows or movies, fostering a sense of togetherness. However, excessive television viewing can also lead to a decline in face-to-face interactions and family bonding. It is important to strike a balance between screen time and quality time spent with loved ones. In conclusion, television has had a profound impact on society, influencing our culture, shaping our opinions, and connecting us to the world. It has the power to shape popular culture, educate, inform, and drive social change. However, it is important to be mindful of the potential negative effects of excessive television consumption, such as a sedentary lifestyle, mental health issues, perpetuation of stereotypes, and strained social interactions. By being critical consumers of television content and finding a healthy balance, we can harness the positive aspects of television while mitigating its negative impacts.